He's been dropped into a fire.
Yeah. Well, and maybe, I don't know if you know, do you know, it's Christina Hoffman, do you know Hoffman, they run, they started a ministry called His Safe Haven, where they help like a.
Wait, didn't she run in Canada?
Orphanage for special needs kids in Liberia. Like, Garrett's are really good friends right now. But anyway, so.
He's like,
I ain't breaking.
So I could see that maybe. Okay. Well, I know, is it Joanne Widman? Okay, because she had, I know she, no, that was maybe last week. I saw her
Okay,
last week.
watch this. This is gonna be us. No, I ain't breaking. Ah! No. Down. Okay. Alright. That's how you take out Carl Edwards. Alright, this is where the fun starts.
push up.
Sure, of course.
She's gonna do one, of course.
What?
Yeah, I can ask her if
what?
she needs toys or, and if she wants to look at what toys you have, or not, or if it was just like the big ticket things that she was kind of looking for, so.
Alright, let's see. R.I.P. whoever this is. Oh, and me.
Yeah.
Rear-ended by Dave Blaney. Which I...
Yeah, well, I will check with her and see.
No, I failed.
If she wants to do that or not, or what she was, I just thought she had for the, it's like the day before, and I didn't think it, when I read it, it was like the day before you posted, I didn't think anything of it, so I'm like, well, I'm trying to get baby stuff or access to baby stuff, and then you posted it, and I'm like, oh, okay, does she still need it? And, so, I didn't read too closely. Yeah. Yeah. I don't have that stuff. Right, yeah.
Around here.
Yeah, okay, well, I'll.
See if we can land on top of the 39. That's my goal for this year. I don't think I did in Chicagoland. He's driving through me. What happened?
Okay,
Ah!
sounds good.
We're gonna have a R.I.P.
Yeah.
Jeff Burton.
There's doing seat
Yeah,
bear.
I mean, I guess her son, her daughter has Skylar, who's, I guess he's five.
Blindsided by Denny Hamlin. Pulmonar. Is that Kyle Busch, I think?
It's not even on his eye.
Oh, blindsided by Robbie Gordon. Alright. Ooh. Hey guys, look, I'm not the only one that does this stuff. There's other people who get tangled with this stuff, tangled up in this too.
Delicious.
No, alright. Hiya, guy. Oh, I got some
Alright.
piece of a different car. And, oh, I missed him. I missed Bobby Labonte. No, okay, alright. There's probably some people coming. No, oh, there we go. We got 33 car, Austin Dillon, I believe. Oh, there we go, Denny Hamlin. Alright, let's see. This is the Demolition Derby Cup Series. See how many cars we can possibly wreck. Ooh. Jeff Gordon. Ooh, there's our leader. No, is he still the leader? Yeah, he still is. The track is blocked! Ah! Ooh. Alright. Track is blocked. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, Jeff Burton. Sorry, actually, you know what? I'm not sorry. I'm gonna just wreck you again. Whoa! Oh, there's Kevin Harvick, our leader. He got hit from behind by someone else.
Huh? Yeah.
Whoa! Who was that? Hi, Tony Stewart. Pretty much every car is going to have damage. Oh, we're upside down. Nothing I can do about that. There we go. Nah, that only bothered me, not him. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. Oh, gotta get Kyle Busch. No, I don't. I think we missed. Yeah, we missed our chance to get Kyle Busch, the leader. Regan Smith. Oh, that's our competition. That's the guy we're racing. Wrong way. Well, my right is different than your right. Fools mine. Don't get messed up into anything after the smaller young guys. Look in all seriousness. Ooh, you have a different last place car. Okay, there's Kyle Busch. He's coming, he's right there. Oh, I missed him. Okay, now I'm gonna try to finish the race because he's coming around to take the checkered flag, I think. Or maybe he didn't. This is his victory lap. But first we need to wreck Junebug. There we go. 43rd. Give it a thumbs up. They're still wrecking. And I don't even think that was my fault. Alright, here's the results. Whoa, Kyle Busch. Ooh, that was a close margin of victory, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Scott Speed. Oh, he must not got Travis Kvapil. What? Where is? Oh, we haven't gotten the bad for a couple of those guys. Wow. Interesting finishes. Jeff Gordon, 31st. Let's see, how many lead lap finishers did we have? We had 22. So the winner's time was 9 minutes 25 seconds. Oh, that was bad for Carl Edwards. And okay, yeah, we lost big time. Hey, we almost had a faster time then. Who was it? Kyle Busch. Dave Blaney also had a close time then too. Alright, so now let's check out the point standings. Everyone's on pit road. I'll scroll through them. Keselowski is your points leader, so he's a big target next time, and of course we're in last. But really, you know, you can just flip through them. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below whatever is on your mind about this video.